current status is we are tacking the cage in now with kind of millimetre precise adjustments so we can make sure absolutely every single bar fits in perfectly. Then we've got to get a 60-second video walk around of the cage which we'll send to the manufacturer to make sure they're happy with how we've put it all in. Then we have to untack half of the cage basically, drop it forward, start doing the full welds, put it back in place and then get the rest of the cage in situ in a way that we can weld around all of the bars. So that's going to be real good fun.
Ollie, I think these are the bits you're not meant to film.
Getting there with our front triangulation bars. This one wasn't so bad. This guy though, this was especially nasty. One of those puzzles you get as a kid, which are little squares where you have to move around the square to get the square to where you want the square to make a picture. This is worse. Oh wow, it's actually happened. We've got the final bars into the roll cage. Great success. So yeah, probably going to clear up the mountains of swarf we've created, stop it going rusty, and then do a little bit of walk around of the cage. And then we'll send off the walk around video to the cage manufacturer, get us our FIA logging, and we're good to blast it in with the TIG.